Hey everyone, good morning. So it's been a long time that I've shot a video. The reason being that I was sick. I hurt my head, but now I'm finally back to normal. And today is a very special day for me because it's my annual committee meeting today for my progress of second year of my PhD. So I'm looking forward to it. Right now it's 8:45 in the morning here in Zurich, and I'm just preparing for my PhD thesis committee meeting presentation. So I have I have to show you something here. I have this document here where I have written what I'm going to say in each slide, and this is the script that I'm going to carry with me. In addition to that, here in University of Zurich, and I guess it happens in the ETH are also the same thing, because in the form it also says ETH, the committee members have to fill this form. Okay, so then I have to get ready for my committee meeting. I'm almost ready, but I have to mentally again reaffirm to myself that I'm going to do good. And I'll see you after my committee meeting, and so looking forward to this meeting because this happens only once in a year. So meaning that this could only happen 3 to 4 times in your PhD. It's a good time to meet the committee members, the supervisor, and everybody is like sitting together and you can brainstorm together. It's a wonderful session. So I'm looking forward to share with you what happened, and I don't know what will happen. So just a quick update from my side. It's 4th of October here in Zurich. I'm sitting in the morning recording this before heading for my PhD thesis committee meeting presentation, and hope to meet you very soon. So I'm back from my committee meeting. Actually stayed back at work. I had a lot to finish. So I came back from work at 6 today. And it was a great successful meeting. I really enjoyed presenting, and I got really positive feedback from the committee members. So it was a great learning for me. There were some questions that I could not answer because they were also very specific, and always I think it helps us to have a very good presentation if we think positively about it, thinking that it's going to benefit you rather than the fact that the committee members are going to test you. So I had a conversation with a friend of mine. You have also seen her on the Meet the PhD interviews, and she's also doing her PhD here in Zurich, and she had the same attitude, and I was so happy to discuss the consensus that we had about our attitudes toward this committee meeting. I in fact had another discussion with another PhD student, and she told me the same thing. So I was really happy that other PhD students that I'm friends with also think in a similar manner, and that's how they approach the presentation. So although we are all anxious and a bit scared and are uncertain what will happen, but still we look at it from a positive perspective. So this is a great learning, and I got really positive feedback. We have a form that the committee members fill, and that was also filled for me for my progress, and they were very happy with it. So I am here sharing my happiness with you. It's a great platform to discuss my journey, and I hope you guys learn from me and I learn from you. So if you have any comments, let me know. If you have never heard about PhD thesis committee meeting, let me know. I will let you know what it is all about. It is something not to be scared of. Often we think that it is something that is really scary and it scares people out, and there's this assumption, or what is usually shown on the internet is that it's hard to schedule these meetings and the other things related to this. One needs to really go past these biases and also think for themselves what's going to work, and not have this attitude. Because I remember discussing this with one of my committee members. She told me once that it's not like this, that the scientists, the committee members are not trying to help you, but rather they want to help you, but they just have a busy schedule. So For me, I was lucky that both the times they were very helpful with scheduling. I had to reschedule my committee meeting this time because it was initially scheduled on the 21st of September, but I fell sick massively, so we had to reschedule it. But the first step that I did here was to contact my coordinator from the Life Science Graduate School, and they extended the deadline. And then I actually approached my committee members and mentioned to them that this is currently my situation. And they themselves told me that, you know, I should take my time to have the next meeting. And I'm really genuinely grateful that it went so good. And the biggest lesson that I learned from my committee meeting, and also the work that went by in the previous year and also before that, is that never wait for the last moment. In the last moment, you would not be able to accomplish so much that you would achieve on a daily basis if you stay consistent with your work. So I think this is the biggest lesson that I learned out of my PhD so far, is that consistency, in spite of positive or negative results, is something that will pay off at the end. Because I was in a situation where I rescheduled my meeting literally within 2 weeks of time, and I couldn't have relied on a last moment preparation. But since I did the work extensively in the last year and also before that, I was able to present it as if I owned it. And that is something that I didn't notice or observe it, but only when I was put into this situation of, you know, falling sick, and then I thought, oh my God, that, you know, I have to do things at the last moment. But then I realized, no, I have everything prepared because I've been working all through the year, and it's just that I have to consolidate everything. So my PhD in the 2 years has literally taught me to stay consistent with the work and to just show up at the work. And even though if you're motivated or not, once you are at workplace, you will feel like working. Stay consistent. Even this just not applies to PhD students, but especially to the students who are preparing for exams. If you prepare for an exam on a daily basis, you would learn so much, because I have also done some last moment exam preparations back in my undergraduate studies, and I always felt that I was with incomplete preparation if I did those last minute preparations. But for the exams for which I was preparing for a long time, I always felt so confident, and I would have such a good night's sleep before the exam, which always helps to perform better in the exams. So to stay consistent with what you're doing, and especially this will happen in your PhD, that you will not have the positive results most of the time. So you have to just focus on showing up every day to work, and taking breaks, good amount of breaks. But at the same time, just going there and working and not thinking about what exactly those results are going to be. Yes, you have to sit back and think about those results at one point, but before that, you have to work and yeah, prepare yourself for the work. So thanks for tuning in.